another episode of Cold with Vicky.
I mean, not really, but yeah, kinda. It's me, I'm the problem. I have too much makeup and it's time to get rid of some makeup because I do not use all of that makeup. And I think it's ridiculous to have so much stuff, but that's a problem. I'm a hoarder. So let's get started. So we'll be starting with the first drawer, and here I have setting powders, setting sprays, foundations and concealers, and it looks a terrible mess, I know, and we're gonna try to sort them today. Now this stuff from Temu that I've tested a couple of weeks ago, I'm gonna get rid of it because I read some pretty nasty stuff about it and I don't need any more of this. Now let's see, what do we have here? So this powder from Holika, the Korean brand, I'm gonna keep. It's actually a blush, and this powder I'm gonna keep as well. Now, why do I have here an e.l.f. eyeshadow palette? I have no idea, but I'm gonna keep it because it's really good for traveling. Some hair clips, oh my days. Now this is so filthy, please don't pay attention to that. That is absolutely terrible. I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna take this out as well. Okay, this is so gross. Now, let's face this. I mean, I don't have that many products, like, let's be honest. This everything for the face, that is not a lot, but we're gonna get rid of some here because some of them are really rancid. This one, the Giorgio Armani dupe, I'm gonna get rid of. Now, this one is one of the newest thing, which I'm gonna keep. The e.l.f. I'm gonna keep. This one is a very weird one. It makes my skin really dark, like it oxidizes so bad. It's supposed to be like just a little moisturizer, but it's really bad. Like, I'm gonna show you how bad it oxidizes. So I'm gonna just apply all over my skin here, and then we're gonna come back later. But this definitely gets in the bin because makes me look like an Oompa Loompa and I don't want that. Now my old concealer from Collection, I'm gonna keep it just for the sake of the memories. The Givenchy concealer, the Bourgeois concealer that I own, and I have to keep it. I have another very questionable foundation from Revolution which oxidizes as well. I'm gonna show you. I hate this type of stuff. Like, it's one color here and after 10 seconds it transforms and makes me look awful. I'm gonna put it on my skin again and then you'll see how terrible it is. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get rid of this one. This one, it's a new one. It's actually a birthday gift, so I'm gonna keep it. This one is one of my favorites. I'm not too much into foundation at the moment, to be honest. I'm more into this filter glowy thing, so I'm gonna keep this one. This one from The Ordinary, it's a really nice foundation, really lightweight, so I'm gonna keep it. This one from Elizabeth Arden looks a little bit filthy, but it's okay. This one from Boots 17, I'm gonna keep. Next one, I'm gonna keep it. This is absolutely ancient. I'm gonna get rid of this, like, the memories. Yeah, I'm just gonna say goodbye. This one, oh my days, it looks very questionable. Why is it separating like this? Is it supposed to look like this? I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it. This one, it has just a little bit left, but yeah, I'm gonna keep it as well. And now, can you see how dark this foundation got on my skin? Like, this is so freaking oxidizing, just like that other thing. Look at the difference. It's insane. Get rid of it. This concealer from Primark, I think I'm gonna get rid of it because it's way too light for me. Just look at this difference. How the heck can I wear this under eyes and this on my face? Is outrageous. And this one must be the oldest foundation ever that I own, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Now, what do we have here? I have a setting spray I've never used. What are you even doing here? Okay, now powders. Let's see, what do we have? This one from Essence I'm keeping. This one from Collection is almost gone, but I'm still kind of using it. I mean, I'm just not ready to say goodbye. I'm gonna keep it. This one from the Balm Sexy Mama, I've never used it. I just find it so weird. Like, it's so difficult to take anything out of it, and it's quite yellowish. I don't know, but I'm not gonna get rid of it because I like it. I don't know. I'm conflicted. This one is so gross. Why is it even doing here? Look at that. Look at the absolute state of this. It's a whole mess, and this goes in the bin. Next one, I have a highlighter, and I don't know what this one is doing here. My beloved Mama Banana, Mary Luminizer, Jesus. I love this one. It's just the memories, the early years on YouTube. I absolutely love this one. I'm gonna keep it. This one, I think it's like the previous one. What on earth is this? Why do I even keep this? This is so, oh, ew, disgusting. This one, same state, disgusting. I'm gonna keep it anyway, I don't care. This one is a primer from e.l.f. and it's empty. Why do I even keep it here? You tell me. This is the powder from e.l.f. I'm gonna keep this one because I quite like actually this one. And I have here a blush from Fenty. Why is it even doing here? Obviously I'm keeping this one. This one from Too Faced. Oh my days. Do you remember this? Do you even remember this? Ah, okay. It's a little peachy powder. And I love how it smells. And because of that I'm gonna keep it. Now I have two interesting things from Aldi. It's like a bronzer, and I'm gonna keep this one. Am I gonna keep it? No, look at the absolute state of this. The mirror is broken, and I think I used just one for one video. I'm gonna get rid of it. And this one is a highlighter, and I'm definitely gonna get rid of it because I don't need it. I don't use it. I'm just... Okay, now the setting sprays. This one I'm definitely gonna keep it because it's brand new. This one I really like, and this one as well. I actually use this every day. Now, this one is a favorite, so I'm gonna keep it. This one is again very questionable power grip thing from Temu, and I think I'm gonna get rid of it because yeah. This one I'm gonna keep it, it's brand new. This one is very, very ancient. Do I even keep it? Let's see if it smells. I mean, it smells alright. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it. This one, ew, it's quite sticky. Baby skin. Am I keeping it? Oh yeah, it smells alright. I don't know how old is it, but I'm gonna keep it. All of this, keep. This. Okay, that was easier than I expected, just because I don't have many setting sprays, and that's okay. Alrighty, that wasn't that difficult, but let's move to the next drawer, and this is where the biggest pain is. Look at this monstrosity. I don't even know where to start if I'm being honest, but let's do it. Now, I'm gonna get rid of this Primark foundation because it's way too light for me. And Kylie, what are you doing here? I don't know, but you're definitely staying. I have here bronzers, which I'm definitely gonna keep. Now I don't know about this one, it's so ancient. Whoa, that is very, I mean, it's alright. Is it still usable? I think it's one of the first, between the first makeup items I've ever got, and I think I'm gonna keep it just for the memories. This one from Primark was awful. Goodbye. I feel like here lays my biggest problem. I have way too many mascaras and eye stuff, so yeah, let's try and sort this mess. This one is pretty old, so it's time to say goodbye. This one was terrible from Fenty, very, very dry, like, ugh, and it stinks so bad. I definitely need to get rid of it. This one from Primark was absolutely terrible. Like, what is this? What is even this? Can you tell me? Absolutely awful. Into the bin. Maybe the Bouget's mascara that I have from Hourglass. Why do I smell mascaras? Please help me. Keep it. What on earth is this? Look at this. Dupes from Primark and dupes from Temu, I think. I don't even know which is which. I think this is Primark. Yes, that's Primark. That's Temu, so that's goodbye. Do I even keep this? It looks pretty... Yeah. I mean, seems alive. I'm gonna keep it. Favorite mascara, the only one that does as much, like for real, so you're gonna stay. This is It's terrible, but it's from Milk, so I can't get rid of it. I'm gonna keep it. Now let's have a look at the blushes and see which one we're still keeping. Little highlighter essence, I think. Yes. I'm gonna keep this bad boy. Love the packaging, really sustainable. Laura Mercier powder, of course this stays. This is, I don't even know what it is. It's a powder. Whoa, that looks very dark and very questionable. And this definitely goes away. This is the most nostalgic thing ever. This is actually the first blush that my mom ever bought. It's from Bourjois something. You can see it's really worn out. Does it have any life? It's just so... Look at the state of this. This is absolutely destroyed, but I'm gonna keep it just for the fancies, memories, all of them. This stuff is really nice. I use it every day or every other day. Sleek. Ah, yes. Memories. When everyone wanted to dupe NARS Orgasm and not Pinkgasm by Charlotte Tilbury. Still a very nice pink color. Yeah, destroyed by me, obviously, so yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Now, look at the state of this. Look at the state of this. It's like, so gross. And it looks like one of those disgusting blushes, like a tester that you see in shops. Like, I don't know what the hell it... it's so gross. I used to be obsessed with Balm or the Balm, and I'm definitely gonna keep this blush because I was such a sucker for their packaging. Like, no one ever does such nice packaging. Like, I love it. So retro, and this is a very nice pink. Like, look at that. It's like the Dior thing, and I'm definitely gonna keep it. Okay, now moving into the eyeshadows. One of my earliest palettes. Really like this one. Really colorful. I don't think I'm gonna get rid of it because I like it. And yeah, you stay. Memories. Seriously, who doesn't own this? I'm never gonna get rid of it. This one from Primark. Very nice color scheme. I really like it, and the shades are so pigmented. I'm keeping it. I feel like I'm not gonna do much progress with the eyeshadows, but that's okay because I don't have that many, as you can see, or maybe I do. Now this one from Revolution is so gorgeous. Now look at these colors. It has everything you want, so I'm keeping it. And even like here, look at that. Look at that. This one from Barium. Haven't reached for this one in ages, so maybe it's time to say goodbye. And I find it really silly, the thing with the elastic. At least if it had like a magnetic thing or something. I used to buy lots of eyeshadows from Barium, so yeah, look at this. Look at the state of this. I think it's time to say goodbye. This one is a brand new one and I really like it. I mean, not really new, but I'm obsessed with the colors and the pigment. This one stays, obviously. My camera died, so I had to take a break. Now the next palette is this one, which is absolutely stunning. I'm gonna keep this one because it's a brand new one from Beauty Bay and it's gorgeous. The next that I have is, I don't know what this thing does here, but it's that gorgeous cushion that I've got from K-Style, whatever, I know, that Korean website, and it's stunning. I really like it. I'm keeping it, just like a very cold tinted SPF. Next up I have again an eyeshadow palette from Alicia. I'm not using it, but it's so pretty. I'm just gonna keep it. This one I used to do my fun looks, one of my first eyeshadow palettes from Revolution, really colorful. And then my OG highlighter. I bought this thing when I moved here, maybe 5-6 years ago or so. This is absolutely destroyed, as you can see, but it's just the memories. I don't know. I just can't get rid of it. It's a highlighter that I bought with my first salary here, so I'm definitely gonna keep it because memories. This is the most random chest of drawers that I have. I have here literally everything. Look, even this eyeshadow palette from Too Faced, which I don't even know what is it doing here. This one is a pretty nice one, traveling size, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. It's a huge mess here. Here I have a setting spray, which I'm definitely keeping it. It's from a Korean brand and I'm really fond of that. Next thing I have is something for a future video, so I hope you did not see that. It's a gift, Rare Beauty. I never used the mascara yet. I'm still yet to use it, but maybe one day. Now, yeah, this one obviously I'm keeping it, and this very nice tinted Dazzle tint from the Korean brand I'm gonna keep it as well. I have here, yeah, all of my brushes and stuff, which need a good clean, like all of them. But yeah, they're all nice in a safe place. My favorites at the moment, the ones I'm always using it. Then I have there a lot of REM Beauty stuff, the eyeshadow, the lots of stuff that I meant to use for a video. I'm still conflicted if I shall make a video about it or not, or shall I just skip it? I don't know. Do let me know. Do you want to see an REM Beauty video? Because I've been thinking about it for ages, never got around to do one. So this one from NYX, a dark one, definitely getting rid of. Kylie, keeping it. Primark, very nice eyeliner, I'm gonna keep it. This one is brand new, I'm gonna donate it to someone. This Estee Lauder one, I think I'm gonna keep it. Essence, keeping it. Fenty, keeping it. I can't believe I still have a Poundland lipstick. Like, how freaking, I don't even have space anymore on my hand. Pretty color though. Okay, nice smelling still. My favorite from MAC, perhaps the only one that I own from MAC, which is so weird, from an advent calendar. Definitely keeping it. So this is everything I've managed to declutter. I think I did a pretty good job. Like, yeah, lots of stuff that I'm not using, or it's expired, or it's just like crumbling. So I think, yes, I'm very ready to say goodbye to all of this and make more space for the new stuff. Okay, I'm so happy. I'm done. Everything is decluttered. I still feel like I have a lot of makeup, but it's nowhere as bad as it used to be. So I hope you enjoyed this decluttering makeup thing. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe, and see you next time. Mwah. Bye.